Welcome to another Toymaster review. Today we'll be reviewing the 5 turtles: Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Metalhead. So stay tuned. So first we're going to take a look at the leader, Leonardo. His swords are cool. There's one taller one and one small one. They have the design of Leonardo's regular swords, and you can just fit them into these slots. And this holder just pegs into the back. Now to take a look at the figure. He has his blue bandana, he has a smile on his face, his straps, his elbow pads, his knee pads, and that's it. The articulation on Leonardo is all the way around, up and down. His arms go that much because of the shell, and back that much. The arms go out, the elbows go up and down, and the wrists go all the way around. And the legs go up, down, the knees go back and front. That's it for Leonardo. Now we're going to be taking a look at the muscle of the team, Raphael. He has his size, the same design on the handles as the swords, and they can just fit into these little handle things. And he's got his red bandana. He's really angry. You see that he has scars everywhere, and his elbow pads and his knee pads. And the articulation is the same. You can go all the way around, up, down. The arms can go that much, and back that much. Can go out, and the elbows can go up and down, and the wrists can go all the way around. The legs can go up, down, can't go back because of the shell, and the knees go back. So that's it for Raphael. Next, we're going to be taking a look at the clown or jokester of the team, Michelangelo. He has his orange bandana, as always, and the scars, a little bit of scars. He's the least scarred of the turtles, and elbow pads and knee pads. The nunchucks, they're the same design on the handles as the sword and the size. They can just fit into these holders. And they kind of have to stay like that, because if you close it like that, it bends, and it leaves a mark there. So you don't want to try what I did. And the articulation is all the way around, up and down. His arms can go that much, and his arms can go back that much. His elbows can go up, and the wrists can go all the way around. The legs can go up, the knees can go back, That's pretty much it. So that is Michelangelo the Jokester. Next, we're going to be taking a look at the brains of the team. It's Donatello. He has his purple bandana. I kind of like this bow better than the regular bow because it has a blade at the end, and either bows can just fit in here. And that's it about the weapons. And he has his straps, the ring, and his elbow pads and his knee pads, and as always his purple bandana. He has his scars on his wristbands, on his shell, his legs, and the arms. The articulation for Donatello is all the way around, up and down. The arms can go that much, and back that much. Then the elbows can go up and down. The wrist can go all the way around. The legs can go up, and the knees can go back. And that's pretty much it for Donatello. This is the robot that Donatello built to help them out in Battlehead. He's a regular robot. He's got a yellow bandana, so that's cool. His elbow pads are different from the other turtles. And his shell is the manhole of New York City, and his knee pads, and his humongous feet. And the caution hot sign is there, and this flower looking thing, and the wiring. So that's cool. He comes with this blaster, so laser, and it fits here. And you can just flick it out, give it a good flick. It'll go to the bad guys. And the articulation is all the way around, up and down. His arms can go that much, and his arms can go that much. And there's no elbow articulation, but there is wrist articulation that can go all the way around. The legs can go up and down. The knees can go back, and the ankles can go all the way around. And I noticed on all of these figures that they are all different from their height to their scars to their belts. And that's it. They also come with these extra weapons. This is Raphael's. I've taken some out already, but it's just a throwing star and those hook swords. I think I have them somewhere here, but they're in there, and the other half side. And this is Leonardo's. Comes with 3 other knives of these. this other knife, and this shuriken, and an extra sword. And Michelangelo's he comes with 2 other of these stars. I think you see these in the shows. It's just the nunchucks with the little blade, and another more stars. So that's it. So this has been a Toymaster review. Thanks for watching, and until next time.